So after my first video on how to claim $900 worth of SATU coins on a new Web3 cryptocurrency wallet known as Quantum Wallet, I've had lots of people ask me how they can actually withdraw these cryptocurrencies. So in this video, we will talk about the withdrawal and 4 other means wherein you can earn from Quantum Wallet. But before we dive right in, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and don't forget to drop your name after you've been able to subscribe in the comments below so I can officially welcome you to the family. Before we talk about the withdrawal of these coins, I'm going to introduce you to 4 methods of earning on this platform. But before I do that, I'd like you to tell me in the comments below, how many tokens have you been able to accumulate so far? So at the time of recording this video, I currently have 2.6 million SATU coins and it is currently worth $780,400. It sounds funny, right? So let me know how many tokens you have and how much it is worth in the comments below. So the first method of earning on this platform is invitation reward. So I'm able to accumulate this much because I've been able to refer well over 800 users to this platform, and I believe in the next couple of weeks I'm actually going to be able to refer up to maybe 1,000 to up to 3,000. So if you are yet to download Quantum Wallet, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, and also if you click on this pop-up, it's going to take you to a dedicated video where I showed you step by step on how to claim these coins. So if you don't have Quantum Wallet, use the link below to download and make sure you use my invite code so you can receive $900 worth of SATU coins. After you've been able to use my referral code to receive the $900 worth of SATU coin, you can also share your invite code with your family and friends, and you are going to receive $900 per user you are able to refer to the platform. So the second mean of earning on this platform is team level benefit. So since I've been able to refer quite a number of people to this platform, I have also been able to earn, right? I actually did not know why I was earning. So today, I think, today I was able to make withdrawals on this particular wallet, and the withdrawals came from the money people have been able to stake on this wallet and earn. So let's just go to wallets. So let me show you how much I was able to earn on this wallet so far. So if you click on USDT, you are going to see the transaction history. That is how much exactly I have been earning every single day from Quantum Wallet, and you can see this rate. This was when I was able to withdraw, and trust me, the withdrawal came immediately. So this is actually the time. You can see the time I was able to withdraw, and you can see the time it arrived my wallet. So the invitation reward is still coming in. So the reward system is very cool. So that simply means that the people I was able to refer to the platform had already utilized the staking, which I'm actually going to be showing you how to go about it in this particular video. So the third means to earn on this platform is ATS financial income. Now, to participate in ATS financial income, all you have to do is to click on ATS, which is the middle button at the bottom of your screen, and then you are going to find out that you can stake and earn. So when you stake, your staking is considered as collateral. So they said collateralized assets can be redeemed at any time. So what this simply means is that you can stake now, and in the next minute you want to make use of your money, or you have just changed your mind, then you can just unstake and move on with your life, with airdrop rewards distributed once every 24 hours for collateralized assets. So now every single day you are going to be getting daily rewards. So if you stake on this platform, how much are you going to be making every single day? So I guess you are going to be making around 0.6%, which equates to 18%, like 18 estimated percent at the end of 30 days. I'm just going to go straight to the point and stake. So to stake, you have to first of all deposit, and if I click on wallet, you are going to find out that I already have USDT. So when I wanted to deposit, I was actually using BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, because when I wanted to withdraw, I realized that transaction fees, because I was withdrawing from Bybit, transaction fees from Bybit was $2 to withdraw using TRX, that is TRC20. So I had to switch. To do that, just click on this Tron button at the top left corner, and then you are going to see Binance Smart Chain, right? Then you click on it. So yes, I just switched the network. So after switching the network, you can then click on the receive button, get the wallet address, and then you deposit USDT. So you can see the USDT I deposited, which is $100. So now I'm going to use the $100 to stake. So to do that, I'm actually going to click on ATS, then I'm going to click on participate. I'll click on USDT. Okay, so you can also use BNB to stake. So if your network is in TRX, you can stake using TRX or using USDT based on TRC20 network. So I'm going to click on participate, and then I'm going to decide how much. So I think I can stake from maybe $20, I guess. I don't know what the minimum is. Maybe if you check their Telegram, you should be able to find out what the minimum is. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to risk 100, and you can see the estimated monthly earnings is 18 USDT. And I'm going to click on confirm participation, and then congratulations on your successful participation. Right, so now you can see the participation record, and it is now showing me the number of time that I have made the staking, right? So you can see 0 day, 0 hour, and 0 minutes. So I feel that maybe from 1 minute it will start counting 1 minute, and in 1 hour is going to start counting 1 hour. When it's up to a day, it's going to start counting. So I believe that it's going to be this same time tomorrow. At the time of making this video, this is currently 3:55. I believe that by 3:55 I should start earning. Okay, so at the same time, just like I said earlier, that you can stake now, then in the next couple of minutes you choose to opt out, you can just click on redeem. If you click on redeem, you input your password. I think I should just redeem right now. So you can see that I have been able to redeem my stakings, right? And I don't have any staking record, and my money is refunded to my wallet. You can see, right? So it's something that your money is not stuck in the platform. You might just want maybe 0.6%, and you just make a deposit, stake, and after 24 hours you say, okay, I don't want to do this anymore, and you are out. Or you can just say, maybe I just need 5% from this platform, and you calculate how many days it's going to give you 5%. If we calculate 0.6, I think 0.6 is going to be like maybe 15 days. I'm not sure. Okay, it's not going to be up to 15 days, because 15 days is supposed to give you 9%, right? Maybe 12. I'm not so sure. You can do the math. So if you just need 5%, you can just go for a few days, like maybe 11. Okay, 5% is going to be 10 days is 6%, right? So maybe 9 days might give you something around 5%. If you just need 5%, you can just do a few days, get 5%, and you are off. But because every single day you are actually going to be getting the income, like you are actually going to be getting the earnings, and it is withdrawable. And I also feel the earnings also comes with more tokens, more SATU tokens. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and do the staking again, because I actually want to stake. And in the next couple of days, I think after 15 days, yes, after 15 days I should opt out. And if I do, I'm actually going to make a video to show you how to make the withdrawal. So I'm going to click on maximum, I'm going to click on confirm participation, then good. So we are good to go. And you have to also understand that this is risk. I am taking risks. And in my previous video, I took the time to explain that platforms that do promise a fixed return on investment usually don't stand a test of time. If you missed the video, just click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to the video. So that video is about copy trading, and copying my trade, I took the time to explain how that works. So if you want to make money via copy trading, you can go check the video out. And I also stated the risks involved in joining platforms that promises fixed return on investment. It is risky. So if you are to take this risk, make sure you are using the money that you can afford to lose. And also note that this is not a necessity. Okay, this is not a necessity. The airdrop is for everybody, but if you want to participate in making money via the ATS financial income, then you can consider this and be ready to take full responsibility of whatever outcome you are going to be getting at the end of maybe 15 or 30 days. Be ready to take full responsibility of whatever outcome. I will not be held responsible. You have to know that this is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose, for people who are ready to take full responsibility of whatever outcome. Remember to invest what you can afford to lose if you want to, to test this. Okay, so the last means of making money from this platform is Node Ambassador. Okay, so Node Ambassador rights, I'm going to show you how to participate. You click on the My button at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you go to job application. I am qualified for this Node Ambassador of a thing. So I'm currently at City Node. So at this point, I feel I could be able to apply, but I think I tried applying and it did not go through for reasons I don't know. Okay, so you are going to click on apply, and then you submit your Telegram username, and then you click on submit. So from there, maybe they will reach out to you or something. So this is another means wherein you can make money from your Quantum wallet. So now let us talk about the withdrawal, because this is the most important aspect of I would say this video, right? That is why you are here. You want to find out how to withdraw your $900. So you can only withdraw any airdrop when it has been launched. So at the time of recording this video, this airdrop is still in the airdrop phase and it has not yet been launched. To find out when exactly it's going to be launched, you have to join their Telegram channel and then follow their updates, or you can simply go through their white paper from their website. Just go to their website and go to their white paper, and I think in their website maybe there is a roadmap that states when and what is next. Okay, so I feel people mine PI since I don't know when exactly they started mining, but a few people mined PI for quite some years, about 6 years, and they did that and they waited till PI was launched this year, being 2025. So if people waited for 6 years for PI, I feel you maybe whether you participated in PI or not, you can also wait for as long as possible. But I doubt that this particular project might take up to a year or something. In my previous video, I think I mentioned that according to their white paper that they are going to be launching during the first quarter of the year 2025, and this is March, right? So this is March ending, and they are supposed to launch this month, but I don't know their reasons. So you might just go through their Telegram channel to check what the latest update is, if there is any change, or I think you can even ask questions in their Telegram channel to be sure when exactly it's going to be launched. Okay, so that is just the information I have currently. So I like I mentioned earlier, we have a couple of means you can earn on this platform. Even if you don't want to participate in the staking, you can just refer your friends to the platform, and if they stake, you can make money. Even if they don't stake, you can still be able to accumulate as many SATU tokens as possible, because any user you're able to refer to the platform gives you $900 worth of SATU coins. So if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments below. And if you are not in our Telegram channel, I guess you are wrong, and you should join our Telegram channel for crypto updates, free tutorials, free trading signals, not so often, and sometimes crypto job opportunities. Right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and you can follow me across various social media platforms. You can follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook, and you can follow me on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.